Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download the ZeroTrace OSINT application, how to use the license, where to get it. So first check if you have access to the ZeroTrace OSINT application. If you bought it, it would be here. Then just go to the firmware section and here ZeroTrace OSINT, download the file you will need for your architecture and the operating system. After that, when you have downloaded, click on this license key, run it, put it here, and everything is done. Be aware the license key is only 3 hours long. There's no hardware ID lock, so you can use everywhere. So if you have an issue, let me show you. If you try to log it in and it says something like this, authentication failed, go to your settings, go to system, datetime, in this case for Debian, and as you see, alternate datetime, the clock is not calibrated, so you need to calibrate it, and after that just restart the application. As you see, now it says something else, something that makes more sense, and if I put the license, and it will definitely work. And if you have a Mac OS type system, go on your terminal, give the file permissions, and then run it like this, because this way it's not packaged, meaning it can't be run with one click. You need to use the terminal, but this way it will also work great. You have no less features or something. I hope it's informative this time. Have fun using it. This is the first application we made for OSINT. It's one of the first versions. I hope you guys will like it. See you.